Hi loves, welcome to the channel. In today's video we are cleaning, we are cooking, organizing the house as always. Don't forget to like and press the notification button, and please do share. Guys, there's plenty content coming your way. I'm gonna be making videos 4 times a week. If you enjoy cleaning videos, fashion, I'm your girl. Don't forget to subscribe. Like I said, share. Guys, it amazes me how easily the kitchen can get so dirty. I literally just cleaned last night, but yes. So I'm starting off picking up all the rubbish. I don't like to have a bin, like a proper bin in the kitchen. I normally use plastic bags and I throw it away as soon as I use it. I just throw it away. I don't like to have any bins inside the kitchen. I'm funny like that. And on top of that, I live in the apartment, and yeah, so that's that. Let's start cleaning this kitchen. Then I'll be cooking, or rather I'll be seasoning my ox liver. Be making with sweet potatoes, which is so delicious. I hope you try it at home for your family. Guys, I need to get these cupboards cleaned. They're a mess. Absolute mess. Absolute mess. Need to organize all of these spices. They're just everywhere. Trying to. Guys, I don't understand why do I have so many plates. It's just myself and my daughter, but I've got all these plates and it's just accumulating in the kitchen. I'll probably need to part with some. Probably gonna give some to the charity shop, and also I'm trying to buy new mugs and cups and stuff. That can go inside the cupboard, and just the free space here as well is always very cluttered here. Yeah, and I'll be scrubbing this down because it's quite minging as well. So guys, I'm gonna have to drag these by the landing because I'll be cooking later. I wonder if I could just carry like this. Is it going to go through? Just about. And that should fit here. So that's the downside of not having a garden or a tiny balcony. So that'll sit here for a day or so. And that should. This night dinner was so messy, so we have got the aftermath. Gonna have to clean all of this and wash some dishes. Just cleaning, and I'll be seasoning my liver for tonight. Alrighty, let's crack on. Guys, I'm going to spray this oven cleaner. It literally just melts all the, sticky bits. It works because you say you care about cleaning. Oh, there's some grinder. But yeah, so I will make these dissolve all the grease, basically. That's what it does. Inside there is absolutely minging. I need to reach there with a toothbrush maybe. It's very strong as well, so you guys want to be careful because it's quite potent. It has a smell to it. It's Dr. Beckham, yeah. And I'll put the link down because I bought this from eBay if I'm not mistaken. Guys, I'll be seasoning my ox liver, I love it, we eat a lot back home. You know, you can make pate, you can make, different type of recipes with it. I'm going to have with the sweet potatoes, so I'm just going to put all in here. This scrimmage, this is very, very tasty, guys. You have to try it, but you have to season very well with a lot of garlic and leave it for hours, and lemons as well. All right. Okay, I'm gonna start seasoning this, or better, I will wash it first. And also, you want to take the skin off these. Some people don't take the skin off, but when it's cooked you can feel it, that there's like a layer, what do you call it? It's like a, you know, membrana. Is that membrana? Is that the word? Yeah, but it's a bit tricky when it's too thin and when it's already been sliced, but always try your best. I mean, you can eat it without doing these, but I prefer. Alright. Now I'll leave the sit for at least 2 hours. And I'll pretty much gonna be just cooking with the onions and spring onions and some pepper. Alright. See guys how it melts. It literally melts, okay? All the mess. But it needs a proper scrub, and I need to take all this out of clean properly. But see what I mean? Like, oh, disgusting. Right, that'll be done. product is so good. It literally just melts everything and makes things much easier to really clean. All the grease literally just melts. Give it a try. Guys, I'm here chopping some onions so we can start cooking. And yes, guys, you should try it at home. I mean, liver is so cheap and it's delicious. If you never tried, I think you should. So guys, I've got here sweet potatoes fries. I've got these from Morrison's. It was £1.50, so very handy, especially that I hate, it's a strong word, but oh, let me put olive oil first. Use a little bit olive oil here. So those are fries. They're already made. They're already cooked. Let me try it. But I want to put in the oven. Guys, the smell is amazing. It's so colorful, so tasty. I mean, try at home. Keep saying that. But anyways, guys, all I want to say, please subscribe to the channel. Also, share my videos to help my channel to grow. I'm gonna dish out a meal, and I hope you have enjoyed this video and come back for the next one. I love you guys. Thank you so much. Until next time. Take care. Bye now.